This is a coordinated Minnesota Amber Alert. This is a child abduction alert. We interrupt this program to bring you this time-sensitive message. The Columbia Heights Police Department is searching for an abducted 3-week-old female named Dior Gooch. Dior is a newborn black female with brown eyes and black hair. She was last seen wearing a white top and blue bottoms. Police are looking for Ashley Gooch, a 37-year-old black female in connection with this abduction. She is approximately 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighs 158 pounds, with brown eyes and black hair with pink braids. She was last seen wearing an orange and white sundress and a black backpack, pushing Dior in a stroller. She was last seen walking west on 37th Avenue crossing University Avenue in Columbia Heights. If you have any information regarding this abducted child, call the Columbia Heights Police Department at 763-427-1212 or 911. Anyone who may locate the suspect should take no action other than contact the police as soon as possible. Stay tuned for further instructions.